Today, we're going to talk about a growing issue that affects a lot of people, the safety of our money when we invest online. Now, this is a topic that can feel a little complex, but it's so important for all of us to understand. Our goal here is pretty simple. It's to help you stay aware, stay calm, and invest safely. This isn't about creating any fear. It's really about giving you clear, straightforward information so you can feel confident. All right, let's dive in. So, for years, there's been this hidden risk that's been affecting investors. Scammers have been using a very simple but really effective trick that involves UPI payments to steal people's hard-earned money. Now, UPI, as most of us know, is that system we use to transfer money instantly. The trick scammers have been using is, honestly, surprisingly simple. They just create a UPI ID that looks almost identical to an official one from, say, a broker you trust. It's designed to look legitimate and trick you into sending money to the wrong place. Here's how it generally plays out. First, they make that fake ID. Second, they convince an investor to send money to it. And just like that, the money is diverted right into the scammer's personal account. The impact here is huge. Savings are lost. And because there was no easy way to verify that ID beforehand, all the power was in the scammer's hands. But the good news is that's all about to change. To fight this threat, the Securities and Exchange Board of India, or SEBI, is rolling out a brand new solution. Think of it like a protective shield designed to put the power right back where it belongs, with you, the investor. The one date you'll want to remember is October 1st, 2025. This is when these new, really powerful safety tools are set to launch, and it marks a major step forward in protecting everyone's investments. So what's actually going to change? Well, instead of those generic UPI IDs that are just so easy to fake, SEBI is bringing in a structured and, most importantly, a verifiable format. This is going to apply to all registered financial intermediaries, like your broker or mutual fund. This new system really comes down to two powerful tools. The first is something called Validated UPI Handles, and the second is the SEBI Check tool. Let's take a quick look at each one so you know exactly what to expect. Okay, first, let's talk about what you'll actually see. This is the practical, visual stuff you can use every single day. When you go to make a payment, there are going to be some new visual cues to look for. This is probably the most important visual to remember. A green triangle with a thumbs-up icon is going to automatically appear whenever you're about to pay a verified, legitimate company. Just think of it as an instant safety check, right there on your screen. And this isn't just for typing in an ID. The same safety symbol will also apply to QR codes. All verified companies will have to provide a QR code that shows that same icon. It's just one more layer of security for you. Now, beyond just looking for that visual cue, there's a second tool that lets you be proactive. It's a way for you to actually verify any UPI ID before you even think about sending money. Using the SEBI Check tool is designed to be super simple. You can either scan a QR code or just type in the UPI ID yourself. The tool will then instantly tell you if it's legit. It's a quick, easy step that can give you complete peace of mind. So what does it tell you? The tool shows you the official bank account details, the IFSC code, and most importantly, it confirms that the company itself is legitimate. This takes away all the guesswork. It puts the power to verify right back in your hands. So with all this new information, it all really boils down to one simple core idea, a new safety rule for every single investor to remember. The most important rule is this: if it's not valid, don't pay. That simple check will be your strongest defense. You know, this new system really empowers you to follow that timeless advice. Whenever you're asked to make a payment, just pause, stop, think, and verify. There's no need to rush into it. So, at the end of the day, what does all of this mean for you? It means stronger protection because payments can only go to accounts that have been verified. It means you get easy-to-spot warnings. All of this helps build confidence in online investing. And of course, it helps prevent fraud by basically shutting scammers out of the system. The goal of all this information isn't to make anyone fearful, but to help you stay informed and cautious. Awareness really is protection. These new tools are designed to help you stay alert so you can stay safe. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay aware, and please consider sharing this information. A simple conversation about this could really help protect someone you care about.